Upbeat music plays. The screen is split, showing the Kenmore SM2050 on the left and the TVD steam cleaner on the right. Hey smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the jungle of products so you don't end up buying something that just cleans your wallet. Today, we've got a steam showdown hotter than your mom's Thanksgiving turkey. On one side, we have the Kenmore SM2050 2-in-1 steam mop, and on the other we have the TVD steam cleaner. Let's see which one will rise to the top like a perfectly steamed dumpling. First up, let's talk about the price. The Kenmore SM2050 is priced at a wallet-friendly $89, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. Reviewers appreciate its affordability, with many mentioning that it offers great value for a steam mop. On the other hand, the TVD steam cleaner sits at $179, which some users feel is a bit steep, but worth it for the extensive capabilities and accessories it offers. While the Kenmore is seen as a great bargain, the TVD is viewed as a premium investment for serious cleaning tasks. Now let's get steamy with cleaning power. The Kenmore SM2050 boasts an impressive 9.9% dust removal rate, and reviewers rave about its effectiveness on various surfaces, making it a go-to for quick cleanups. However, some users have noted its limitations in disinfecting due to having only one steam jet. In contrast, the TVD steam cleaner uses high-pressure steam that reviewers describe as powerful and effective for tackling tough grime, with many stating it works wonders on engines and windows. Overall, while the Kenmore excels in everyday cleaning, the TVD shines in heavy-duty applications. Let's move on to capacity and usage. The Kenmore SM2050 features a 2-in-1 function, allowing it to transform from a mop to a handheld cleaner, which many users find versatile and convenient. However, some reviews mention that the cord length could be improved. Meanwhile, the TVD steam cleaner boasts a 52 ounces tank, which provides extended cleaning sessions of up to 50 minutes. Reviewers appreciate its quick 8-minute heat-up time, making it ideal for those who want to steam clean without waiting. The Kenmore is praised for its versatility, while the TVD is recognized for its endurance. Now let's talk accessories. The Kenmore comes with a bristle tool, angle tool, scraper tool, and 2 washable pads, making it a solid package for most cleaning tasks. Reviewers enjoy the variety of tools included. However, the TVD takes the cake with a whopping 28 accessories. Users are impressed by the range of tools, from wallpaper removal to heat-resistant gloves, leading some to joke about whether they're cleaning or assembling IKEA furniture. The Kenmore is good for general cleaning, but the TVD offers an extensive arsenal for specialized tasks. Finally, let's talk about maneuverability. The Kenmore features swivel steering, allowing users to glide around corners easily, and many reviews highlight its lightweight design as a plus for ease of use. In contrast, the TVD steam cleaner has a lengthy 197-inch power cord and a 57-inch steam hose, giving it an impressive reach. Users appreciate this extended reach for cleaning larger areas without needing to unplug and move. While the Kenmore is nimble, the TVD offers great flexibility for larger cleaning tasks. Overall, both products have their strengths and cater to different cleaning needs. The Kenmore SM2050 is favored by those looking for a budget-friendly, versatile option, while the TVD steam cleaner is highly recommended for its powerful performance and extensive accessory range. Users appreciate the lightweight and efficient design of the Kenmore, while the TVD receives praise for its professional-grade capabilities and robust build quality. So what's the verdict, folks? If you're looking for a cost-effective, versatile cleaner that does the job without breaking the bank, the Kenmore SM2050 is your jam. But if you want to go all out and have the ultimate cleaning arsenal, the TVD steam cleaner is your ticket to steam cleaning stardom. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, whether you're buying a steam mop or a new pair of socks, always buy smart. Until next time, keep it steamy and keep it smart. Bye!